So hey everyone, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we are in a much softer kind of femme looking beat, since for today's video we are going to be doing my trans journey life update, how I grow out my hair, the products that have been helping me grow out my hair, and what it means to me. So without further ado, let's get into it, shall we? Okay, so if this is the first video of mine that you have ever seen, or the first time you've ever heard me refer to myself as trans, yes, I am a trans woman from England. I'm currently 30 years old and I am transitioning later in life than what a lot of trans people do. A lot of people kind of start or have access to it in their earlier years. I have kind of gone back and forth on my approach to it, and with how the law is done and everything happening in the UK, it is difficult to I guess start on your trans journey in both the time it takes, the effort and commitment, as well as the money. I currently am not on any hormones or have started that part of my transition yet. However, there was something kind of within my control that I could do to make myself feel more feminine, even when I'm not in drag, since if you guys are new to me or new to my channel, I am a drag queen and I am also a trans individual. Trans is kind of who someone is, and you can be trans and be a drag queen, you can be a woman and be a drag queen, you can be a cis man and be a drag queen. Drag is just an art form, and it's kind of a way for me to play with femininity and kind of elevate my femininity through drag. But out of drag, I always felt a little I wanted to do something more, and wait times in my local area are 6 years to even see a doctor to start transitioning, so it is still a long way off, and even then it's money. You're going to potentially have to go down the private route. There's so many different things that I could probably do a whole video about, but I wanted to make today's video just kind of what I can control, what part of me I have control and jurisdiction over. And I'm not saying you can't have short hair and be trans, anything like that, nothing like that in this video. It's just, for me, starting to grow out my hair, I've been growing out my hair for the last 2 years now, has just brought me a massive sense of self kind of femininity, gender affirmation, and it just feels good to have my hair this length. Obviously, it is not looking its best. I have very thin, fine hair. My hair also has a slight curl to it. I've actually blow dried it out before, so it has a little bit less of the natural curly wavy texture, but my hair is very thin. It has always been very thin. For the first 28 years of my life, I've always had short hair, and my fringe used to be my go-to thing. I had little Justin Bieber swoop, and the longest my hair used to ever get was to my eyebrow length. And if I straighten this piece out, this was the longest I ever used to let my hair. It is now a good 5 or 6 times past that point, and it feels so good just to kind of be able to wake up and have some kind of hair, or something that helps me feel a lot more feminine. Again, I'm not saying that you can't be trans or be feminine with short hair, anything like that at all. Just for me, this was kind of one of those steps that I could take within my journey that was within my control, to make every day me feel more feminine on a daily basis. So yeah, it's not looking its greatest. I actually need to get it trimmed, and I definitely need to focus more on the volume of my hair and the health of my hair, not just the length, since, not gonna lie, it is not looking its best right now. I'm also filming this video now since my plan is to, I've actually got a where'd I put it, girl? The glaze colour mask through. My ends are kind of this colour, but all up through here is regrowth, and I've just kind of been letting my hair kind of grow and not touch it up too much, so I did just put a glaze hair mask through it just to try and make it all look one tone, which is also why my forehead is a little stained. But actually, after this video, I am planning to put a colour remover through my hair and bleach it. So I was I want to film my hair update journey and my hair growth journey and kind of start this little mini series while I actually kind of have hair to showcase, since my plan is to go closer to my natural colour, which is more of a sandy blonde, or potentially go pink. I've wanted to dye my hair pink for years and years, and I don't know, I'm just kind of in that that itch and that craving to have some pink hair. So next time you see me not in full drag and with my natural hair out, it might be pastel pink. But yeah, I wanted to start this series today and just kind of, I don't know, inform you guys and give you a life update on where things are going. I am still currently in the process of trying to get onto hormones. Again, the waitlist in my local area is like 6 years and I'm like 2 years into that process. So we've still got another 4 years of just waiting until that happens. Or I can potentially go down the private route, but that requires money and funding, and that is not something that I can currently afford. So we're just kind of playing the waiting game. So yeah, this is just kind of my life update of just, I have hair. Like, I actually have hair for like the first time in my life. Again, for like 28 years, I had the same kind of short little like boy haircut. I never did like anything special to it, and I never let it grow out like past my eyebrows. So to have this hair, this is all my hair. Yes, it is very thin. I'm planning, or like I do own extensions to clip in to really make me feel the fantasy and give me a lot more like volume to my hair. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Please be kind. Again, I did just run like this through it, so literally this whole like top half of my colour is just from a glazed hair mask. But I thought I could also share in today's video the products that have kind of helped me, or kind of products that I keep repurchasing that I go for time and time again. So I purchase everything with my own money. None of this is sponsored, but my shampoo and my conditioner are both from John Frieda. They also have hair in it. I did just pick them out of the shower, so they're also like a little bit dripping in water. But this is the Pro Filler Plus for fine hair. So it is a thickening shampoo as well as a thickening conditioner. And one thing that has definitely helped me with my hair growth is double cleansing my hair with shampoo, meaning that I will go in with my shampoo, I will lather it up, get it all in there, and then leave it for a couple of minutes, rinse it out, and do the process again. That has been game changing for me for the health of my scalp and just the health of my hair in general. Also, really lathering up the product in my hands before I even apply it to my hair. I literally spend a good 30 seconds to a minute lathering it up in my hands before applying it to my scalp. Makes a huge difference. Obviously, conditioner I apply from like kind of my ears down is what I roughly do, and I leave it on for a good 10 minutes. I either like shave, or I started to brush my teeth in the shower now since I want to make sure my conditioner is doing its thing. So I have a toothbrush and toothpaste in the shower, and just really make sure that product has a chance to like sink in and do its thing. For hair mask, this was actually bought for me from a subscriber called Richard. He actually bought it for me for my birthday back in April, and this is the Garnier Ultimate Blends Watermelon Hair Food Mask. I've also tried the mango one and a few other ones. These are really nice because you can use it as like a conditioner or a leave-in mask, or just kind of like a mask that you wash off in the shower. So I've been absolutely loving that. In terms of like making my hair, I guess, look a little bit more healthy and adding some more vibrancy and colour in between like touch-ups, since this is like the colour that I dyed my hair, but again, there's a good 4 inches of roots at this point. I haven't dyed my hair since February, and we're now in September, so it has been a good long time. I was just letting my natural hair kind of grow through to eventually dye it closer to my natural hair colour or go pink. Again, I haven't really decided. We're going to bleach it and just see what happens with it, but highly recommend the glaze hair masks. This is in Sleek Espresso. I really like these because I can just kind of put it on to touch up my roots without like dyeing my hair, and then it also conditions the ends since it's kind of just a hair gloss. It's like a tinted moisturizer for your hair is what it says on Amazon, and highly recommend them. Absolutely love them. And then in terms of what has helped me actually grow my hair out is very much oiling my scalp before I go in to wash it. So like an hour and a half, 2 hours, sometimes even the night before. If I'm having like one of those really pamper myself kind of days, I will shave, I will apply fake tan across my entire body, and I will put hair oil in my hair, put on one of these silk kind of hair wraps, sleep in that, and in the morning wash it off, wash all my fake tan off. But these are the hair syrups from the brand Hair Syrup, and this is the Rosemary hair syrup. As you can see, I have nearly used up this entire bottle. Again, I purchased all of this with my own money, and I also have, look all the hair stuck on the top, the Rapunzel hair syrup, which is like the orange kind of vitamin C hair syrup. I mainly use the Rosemary one, and then I will use the vitamin C one kind of every 3 or 4 times. And pretty much all you need to do is get that, lather it, well, not really lather it up, it's an oil, really work it into your scalp, let it like do its thing. Since your hair growth starts from your scalp, you kind of need to be looking after your scalp, stimulating the blood there, and I genuinely have loved using it. I've noticed a big difference in my hair. Again, my hair is very thin and fine. I don't have naturally a lot of hair. I have a receding hairline, and something that like helps to stimulate hair growth and help me like grow my hair and like speed up the process of growing my hair has been a godsend. I've loved all of these products. I keep repurchasing these, and this is just kind of what's been working for me. So in terms of what's helped me like grow my hair out, definitely them. Again, vitamins and stuff, it's a little bit more personal to what vitamins you like to take. I always try to make sure I have a biotin either in the multivitamins that I take or a separate biotin tablet. Biotin is what your body uses to like generate hair, skin and nails, so it's pretty much kind of the beauty supplement is what it's kind of known as, or what a lot of people like refer to it as. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick little like chit chat life update where my hair is currently at. This is the longest, like my hair's not even like straightened, but if it was straightened it would reach like top of tittage. Like this is the longest my hair has ever been, and I'm still kind of getting used to styling my natural hair. My plan was actually, when I was like growing out my hair, when I dyed it dark brown, is to have it so I can clip on like ponytail pieces and do it like as like a base for drag hair, but I've not really done that too much since I'm too scared, or my hair's never like touched up in colour to use it for that kind of reason. But I put the glazed hair syrup through it, so it's glazed hair gloss through it, so my roots actually kind of match the ends of my hair. You can kind of see on this side that I didn't really apply it, and it's not really doing its thing that well to cover up my natural hair colour, since my natural hair colour is like a dirty blonde, and obviously this is quite a deep brown, since I originally dyed my hair brown to make it look fuller and to again use it for the reason of I would have it to stick on drag wigs, since it's so much easier to find a dark brown wig to clip on your head than a ashy kind of shade of blonde. It's just a very one of those things to do. But yeah, I thought I'd film today's video as just I am going to bleach and dye my hair, and it will probably fall out or get much shorter than what it currently is now, so I want to do an update on it and the stage it's currently at. Again, this is the longest my hair has ever been. It's not like the most healthy, and again, I don't have a great deal of hair. My hair is naturally thin. It naturally has like a slight like wave and kink to it, but I'm proud of where my hair is and where my hair's at and where it's come from in only like 2 years. I've gone from literally hair to like here to like all the way down to here, and yeah, it's a nice feeling to be able to wake up, to be able to tie my hair back up into a pony. Like my hair's getting to the point now where I can actually do like I wouldn't say a generous ponytail, but I can actually tie it up to where there is hair like to be tied up. And yeah, I've had a couple of you guys like say like, oh my god, your natural hair, and I'm like, I know, like you guys don't really see it because you typically see me either with it tied back or it's already under a wig cap or already under a wig. So yeah, I just wanted to do today's video to be like, look, my hair's growing and I'm well on my way of my journey. So yeah, I hope you guys just enjoyed this ramble kind of mini little life update. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of my hair. Again, please be nice. Also, let me know, should I go back to like my natural ashy blonde or should I dye my hair pink? Like, I have had my hair every single colour of the rainbow. Like, genuinely, I've had pink hair before and I really enjoyed it. But I've never had it where my hair's longer and pink. So it's that kind of thing of, I think it could be fun, but also at the same time, I don't know how much you'll see it because it's going to be under a wig. So is it better just to go to my natural colour and like look after my hair rather than bleaching it and dyeing it all the time? But yeah, let me know what I should do. And don't forget to subscribe to the girl next door with something more. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.